welcome back to another video from Horsepower World. It's been a while since we've done some updates, but we've got some new and exciting projects on the go. Might be wondering what all these parts here are. Lots of parts basically to build a car from scratch. What we're talking about is Factory 5 racing. These things are absolutely awesome. Basically a race car that might look like a hot rod, might look like a Cobra or a Daytona, but these things actually handle as good as they look. They perform with a modern driveline. It's an exceptional product. So we're pretty excited to announce at Horsepower World, we are now the Australian distributor for Factory 5, also for New Zealand as well. And what this means is we can order a kit to suit what you need. You can basically get a car in a box that you can build yourself, or we can completely build it for you here at our shop at Horsepower World. Lots of options, all different kinds of engines, transmissions, rear ends, different ways to finish it off with fenders and no fenders and all sorts of options. So the best thing to do is jump onto the Factory 5 website. You can also jump onto our website. We've got quite a bit of detail on there, but also upgrading very soon. You can see this is the 35 truck, just in very raw form at the moment. We're about to pull it down and coat the chassis and get everything prepped ready for it to go together. We've just done a trial fit on the engine. It's an LS3. We've chosen to use the 6L80E transmission, which Factory 5 said won't fit, but we've made a few little adjustments to make it fit, and it looks like it'll work well. So there you go. Stay tuned for this build. This is going to be our shop car, promo car. We're going to get it out to all sorts of events and everything from drag racing, roll racing. We're going to get into shows and various hot rod events. So yeah, you'll definitely see this one out and about. Stay tuned, and yeah, any information, give us a call at Horsepower World. You can check our website. It's horsepowerworld.com.au. Our phone is 0732 901759. So yeah, stay tuned. Like I say, for this build, it's going to be pretty special. We've got some other builds coming up as well, which are not too far off. So you'll see a Cobra getting built here very soon with a LSA engine. It's going to be a pretty special project too. Okay, that's it for now. We'll start pulling this thing down.